Hi, are you okay? Let's go to aviation. English for aviation 1. Let's go to unit 5. En route events. It means the events, the happenings that happen on the way. How many of these activities or hazards can you name? Take a look at the pictures. How many of them can you name? What is it? Do you know any information about them? Okay, I'm going to talk about them. Wait. Okay, for example, number one is hot air balloons. Number one, hot air balloons. Air balloons. These are balloons. Hot air balloons. Number two, fuel dumping. You know the picture. As you can see in the picture, this is fuel dumping. Number three, weather balloon. This is a weather balloon. بالون هواشناسی weather balloon. In-flight refueling. You know the meaning of fuel. سوختگیری. Refuel, when we use at the beginning of a verb, it means again you are doing something. سوختگیری دوباره. In flight, where you have a flight, you see, there is a flight, they are moving. Actually, you are flying. Both airplanes are flying, and there is a need to refuel, so they do it in the air. It is in-flight refueling. Air display. This is a kind of performance, artistic performance using planes. Air display. Number 6, demolition of explosives. This is demolition of, there's a fire, they try to demolish this. Hang gliding. This is hang gliding. This is a gliding. You know it. Hang gliding. The name is hang gliding. Parachute jumping. You see, he is jumping from an airplane in order to use the parachute. Parachute چتر نجات دیگه. Okay, چتر نجات. So he is jumping in order to use his parachute. Parachute jumping. Yeah, finish. So let's go again. Hot air balloons, fuel dumping, weather balloon, in-flight refueling, air display, demolition of explosives, hang gliding, parachute jumping, and that's it. Wait, I should find the listening part. Now I'm coming back. Okay, found it. Listen to the navigation warnings. You see, there are some warnings here. Match each warning to an activity. You should match them. Okay, let's listen together.
5. Exercise 1. 1.
Be informed. Weather balloon drifting across your path from right to left. Level unknown, but it's approximately 4 miles northeast of your current position.
Okay, so the first one, you see, it was the first warning. It was about weather balloon. So you should connect this number 1 with weather balloon D. Okay, you should match them. Let's go.
2. Caution. Obstacle warning light on top of Marchwood Power Station inoperable.
Okay, look. Obstacle warning light is inoperable. Warning light is inoperable. It means it doesn't work. Look at here. Look at this picture. It doesn't work. The system, light system, is inoperative. It means inoperable. It doesn't work. When you have this alarm, it means the light system doesn't work. We're talking about this one. Okay. Warning light is inoperable.
3. Be advised. Fuel dumping in progress. 20 miles east of Aberdeen. Eastbound. Flight level 100. Avoid flight within 5 miles at this level. If within 5 miles, remain at least 1,000 above or 2,000 feet below this aircraft.
Okay, so fuel dumping. Take a look at this picture. This is fuel dumping. They have fuel dumping, so they should be really careful. And there is a warning here. For number 3, you can find it. This is a fuel warning. Fuel dumping, you should connect it to number 3. Let's go.
4.
Be informed, in-flight refueling in progress 5 miles south of Land's End. Likely to continue until 1500 UTC.
Okay, what was in-flight refueling? Take a look at the picture. I told you this is in-flight refueling. So they are warning because of in-flight refueling. You should connect it to in-flight refueling. So number 4, the warning is about in-flight refueling. Number 4 is connected to B.
5.
Fireworks display within 1 mile radius of Exeter, Devon. Planned start time is 2000 and is expected to last 30 minutes. On site, contact 7901615.
Very good. There is a fire display. Take a look at this picture. This is a fire display. Look, this is a very beautiful fire performance used by airplane in order to have performance, artistic performance. There is a fire display, so they should be really careful. Number 5, you can connect it with fire display. Which of these hazards are not pictures? We didn't have fire display, and also we didn't have light system in appropriate action. So be careful about that. Let's go. Listen again if necessary and answer the question. Where is the weather balloon? So let's listen again and you should find the answer. Let me zoom in so that you can see clear. Where is it? Yeah, let's go. Where is the weather balloon? So be careful. We are going to find the answer.
Unit 5, Exercise 1. 1.
Be informed, weather balloon drifting across your path from right to left. Level unknown, but it's approximately 4 miles northeast of your current position.
Okay, so it's approximately 5 miles northeast of your current position. It's near your current means the place that you are. Position means the place. Current means now. The place that you are now in it. It's approximately nearly 4 miles northeast of the place that you are now. So this is where is it? Explanation is here. Number 2. What is problem at March Good? Please listen.
2.
Caution. Obstacle warning light on top of Marchwood Power Station inoperable.
So it doesn't work here, there. It doesn't work there. So this is the answer.
3.
Be advised, fuel dump.
Okay, now what is happening at FL100? Okay, number 3.
In progress, 20 miles east of Aberdeen, eastbound. Flight level 100. Avoid flight within 5 miles at this level. If within 5 miles, remain at least 1,000 above or 2,000 feet below this aircraft.
Okay, so you can find that what was the problem? It was fuel dumping over there. Let's go to number 4. What will finish at 1500? What will finish? Let's listen.
4.
Be informed, in-flight refueling in progress 5 miles south of Land's End. Likely to continue until 1500 UTC.
Okay. In-flight refueling until 1500. You see, it will be finished at that time. It will be continued until in-flight refueling will be continued until 1500. بهتون گفته بودم ساعت ها چجوری میگن دیگه 1500 به جای اینکه بگیم ساعت 15 1500 یعنی کلا ساعت رو میخونیم 1500. مثل زمان که می‌نویسیم 15 quotation then 20. Okay, 1500. Let's go.
5.
Fireworks display within 1 mile radius of
Wait. How long will the display last? How long? Let's listen.
Exeter, Devon. Planned start time is 2000 and is expected to last 30 minutes. On site, contact 7901615.
So look at here. How long does it take? It will be start at 2000 at 20 hours. You see, ساعت 20 شروع میشه، ساعت 8 شب شروع میشه. It will last 30 minutes. So you can write it 30 minutes here. Okay, let's go. Finish. Yes. Put the okay. NOTAM gives information about operational situation after initial details of location, time, and date. The message is is a shorter form of plain English. Can you read the message? For example, look at here 08050041145. You see, this is the time and date. 0805061730. This is the time and date. Air display. There is an air display. What is display? Display. There is an air display. This is an air display. I should explain everything up. There is an air display associated with intense aerial activity, INC jet. You see the information about the company and the airplane, and you should complete this part. You can read it. What do you think about the message? Now, until now, I explain everything. Now you are going to read. What can you understand? Write it into plain English. Plain English یعنی چی؟ بدون اصطلاحات reporting or messaging. Okay, so write it. What do you understand? Check it. You can use the net. Check it completely and then write it on a piece of paper. Take a photo and send it to me. Let's go to this one. Listen to navigation warnings. Complete the table to show any traffic restriction at the time shown. You see, we are going to talk about traffic restrictions. محدودیت‌های ترافیکی رو می‌خوایم بگیم. Okay, and the time. At the time shown, there is a time limitation. We are going to talk about any traffic restriction, any traffic limitation. What are they doing? For example, in this part, for number 1, what is the activity? Is it a display? Is it a fuel dumping? What is it? And from what to what? You see the restriction. For example, 1000 12000. And what is the restriction? We are going to restriction. We are going to write it. So we write the activity. اون فعالیتی که داره انجام میده رو می‌نویسیم. محدودیت ترافیکیش هم تیک می‌زنیم. Let's listen to number 1. Right.
Unit 5, Exercise 4. 1.
Be advised. Hang gliding competition at Merthyr. Original start time was 0900 Zulu. This is now delayed and restrictions for other traffic will become effective at 1115 Zulu and remain in force until 2059 Zulu.
Okay, look at here. So this is the metro. The place. What was the activity? Hang gliding. This was the activity. You can write it here. Hang gliding. And look at this traffic restriction 1115. So it is more than 100. از 1000 تا بیشتره دیگه. 1115. Right, we can tick 1200 1400 1600 and until we can continue this until 2059. پس از این محدودیتش از این شروع میشه به این هم ختم میشه. چون بیشتر از 1000 تاست ما از 1200 تیک میزنیم. اگر بیشتر از 1600 تا 2000 تا بالاتر بود میتونستیم تیک بزنیم، اما چون این محدودیت رو ما الان داریم توی این قسمت فقط همینا رو میتونیم تیک بزنیم. اوکی. Let's go to the next one.
2.
Freefall drop zone established at Land's End, 1.5 miles radius of 5006.17 north, 0054.02 tree west, up to flight level 150. Drop time 1000 UTC. Be advised that there are 2 jump ships cruising at 90 knots, crossing the airway from right to left. Because of the large numbers involved, traffic restrictions have been extended until 1100 UTC.
Okay, until, sorry, this is Land's End. What is the activity? It is free fall, so you can write free fall here. And the traffic restriction is until 1100. Until 1100. It means until 100. You see, not more than 1200 is not included. So up to here. Up to here it is included, so we can take this one. Let's go to number 3.
3.
Be advised, fighter training over Brecker beacons was due to start at 1330. This has been brought forward, and restrictions will now take effect from 1200 and will last until 2200.
Very good. So in this part we are here. Look at here. Brecon beacons. So we should select this one. What was the activity? Fighter training. And you can write the activity here. And what is the restriction? The traffic restriction 1200. We start from here until 2200. It means we can include all of these parts. 1200 is included, 1400 is included, 1600 is included. If we had other things until 2200, all of them were included in this traffic restriction. Let's go to number 4. This is for you.
4.
Be advised, the Bath Hot Air Balloon event scheduled for 1000 UTC until 1300 UTC is starting late. Start time is now 1100 UTC, and traffic restrictions will be suspended until 1030 UTC. They will now remain in force until 1400 UTC. Expect mass launches of hot air balloons. Up to 35 balloons may participate during each 30-minute launch period and may be found up to 20 miles downwind of launch sites. Pilots are requested to exercise caution in the vicinity. Controlled airspace will be avoided unless approved by ATC.
Okay, you answered this part. This is fast. What was the activity? Hot air balloon. And what is the air traffic limitation? Do you remember that it was cancelled? What is the answer here? Write it, take a photo and send it for me. Let's go to activity, the last activity.
5.
Laser testing finished early at 0930 UTC, so traffic restrictions in the Hatfield area cancelled.
Okay. You can take a look. The activity is laser testing, and it is cancelled. When it is cancelled, we don't have any kind of traffic restriction. We can cross all of them. So be careful about the explanation and the information which is given. Let's go to next part. Okay, put the words into correct column according to the sound of the vowel. These are the vowels: A, E, I, O, U. First, I read them for you. Testing, hang, laser, parachute, zeros, training, balloon, demolition, explosives, display, fighters, fight, jumping, gliding, dumping, until, downwind, delay, control, and avoid. These are the diphthongs. Some of them actually are diphthongs. It means two of these vowels are connected together. Now we are going to read them. Some of them are separated. A, for example, around. A, run. I, hit. A, best. A, you see, we have two sounds together. This is called diphthong. Take. O, two sounds, A and O. Go, for example, go. I, O and I. You see? Right. Now we want to use these words and put them in a column. Take a look at the column here. Columns here. Balloon. Until. Avoid the sound. Avoid. Balloon. Until. The O sound. Dumping. Jumping. Display. Downwind. You see the sound of this symbol is here. Downwind. Testing. Demolition. Parachute. A sound. Parachute. Hang. A. Laser. Training. Delay. You see lay. Delay. Explosives. Zero. Controlled. O. O. Controlled. I. Fighters. Flight. Gliding. I sound. Read them, record your voice and send it to me, please. With work with a partner, translate a NOTA into plain English for your partner, then listen to your partner's NOTA. Actually, in this part, you are going to start and finish the time. What is the time? The place, activity. What was the activity? Take a look. I explained you. And these are the activities. Wait. These are the activities I explained you completely. I explained which one of them is the activity that you want to select, and then you should say what is the time. What is the time? Any other information, additional information, you can write it here. So this is based on you. This is your homework. Select the time, the activity, the time start and finish time, place, activity, and additional information. Whatever is required, write it on a piece of paper, take a photo, and send it to me. Useful phrases. This information is for the 8th of May 2004. It is valid from 0800 to 1100 UTC. Airplanes flying in Devon and Cornwall should be aware of fighter training and parachute jumping. So the time is really important and how you give the information. You see, while you want to give the information, read it. Record your words and send it to me. Let's go to advanced information is not always available for unusual events. Listen to three exchanges. Complete the sentence below. Let's go. Exchange number 1. Let's listen together. You are going to fill in the blanks. You see, these are the exchanges. You are going to fill in the blanks based on the information. Number 33.
Unit 5, Exercise 7. 1.
We didn't expect it so bumpy up here. Would you check if there's any traffic ahead of us? We may need better separation. Bravo 333.
Bravo 333, affirm. You have traffic ahead. It's a 747. Must be wake turbulence. Would you like a higher level?
Affirm. We'd certainly like a more comfortable ride. Bravo 333.
Bravo 333, roger. Climb flight level 270. It should be free of turbulence. Expect further climb at 45. If you have any further problems, please advise.
Okay, while you are listening, you should be careful about the blanks here. Let's listen and fill them together.
Unit 5, Exercise 7. 1.
We didn't expect it so bumpy up here. Would you check if there's any traffic ahead of us? We may need better separation. Bravo.
Okay, better separation. Better separation. You should write better here.
333.
Bravo 333, affirm. You have traffic ahead. It's a 747. Must be wake turbulence. Would you like a higher level?
Affirm. We'd certainly like a more comfortable ride. Bravo.
More comfortable ride. More. See, more comfortable ride. Affirm means like, yeah, accept it. That's okay. More comfortable. You can write more here and comfortable in this place.
333.
Bravo 333, roger. Climb flight level 270. It should be free of turbulence. Expect further climb at 45. If you have any further problems, please advise.
Okay, if ATC says to expect further climb at 4-5. Look at here, further. I made a mistake. In order to circle this further, you should circle this further here. Further climb at 4-5. Let's go. So fill in the blanks. It's really important. Pay attention to the exchanges. Let's go to number 2. Listen, please. You see that it includes 2 parts. Be careful.
We've got a problem. This is the slowest climb out ever. We've lost engine number 1.
Factory 6, something large has fallen off your plane.
This is more serious than I thought. Declare an emergency.
Factory 6, are you returning to Lahore?
Roger, return. Buck 36.
Okay. So the pilot says it's the slowest climb over there ever. Okay, listen.
2. We've got a problem. This is the slowest climb out ever.
This is the slowest climb out ever. The slowest. See, you can write it here.
We've lost engine number 1.
Factory 6, something large has fallen off your plane.
This is more serious than I thought. Declare an emergency.
You see, this is more serious than what I said. So the problem is so complicated. More serious. He says that the situation is more serious than he thought. Thought past form of thing.
Factory 6, are you returning to Lahore?
Roger, return. Buck 36.
So there was a problem and they are returning back. Let's go to exchange number 3.
3. Control, request diversion to the nearest airport. Alpha Foxtrot 39er.
Alpha Foxtrot 39er, understand you're requesting diversion.
Affirm.
Alpha Foxtrot 39er, turn left heading 270. Can you give me a reason for the diversion?
Sure, we have a smell of exhaust fumes in the cockpit.
Is there any smoke?
Negative, no smoke, but the smell is getting stronger. Alpha Foxtrot 39er.
Roger. Continue heading and contact 118.6.
Control, request diversion to the nearest airport.
So request for diversion to the nearest airport. Nearest. You see this is nearest. Fill in the blank here, please.
Alpha Foxtrot 39er.
Alpha Foxtrot 39er, understand you're requesting diversion.
Affirm.
Affirm. It means okay, I got it.
Alpha Foxtrot 39er, turn left heading 270. Can you give me a reason for the diversion?
Sure, we have a smell of exhaust fumes in the cockpit.
Is there any smoke?
Negative, no smoke, but the smell is getting stronger. Alpha
The smell is getting stronger. The smell is getting stronger.
Foxtrot 39er.
Roger. Continue heading and contact 118.6.
That's it. Let's go to the next part. Compare the airplanes in the picture with a partner. Use the words in the box to help you add your own ideas. These are the adjectives: short, long, heavy, new, old, big, roomy, fast, fuel efficient, and advanced. I want to compare 2 things. Actually, I explained them in a general English course, I guess. I want to compare 2 things. If the adjective, these are the adjectives, has 1 syllable, for example, old, new, fast. If it has 1 syllable, we use er then in order to compare 2 of them. And when it has more than one syllable, for example, efficient, important, okay, important, it has 4 syllables. When we want to compare it, we use, for example, more than or less than. We had these exceptions: good, better, the best; bad, worse, the worst. So be careful. The runway at Heathrow is longer than at this part. Okay, it is longer than. We want to compare them. The runway, what's the meaning of runway? Wonderful. Heathrow is longer than this one. ER than. I have more expeditions routing for you. More. You see, most important. I told you more than, more than. The visibility is better here than in Athens. The visibility is better, good, better, and the best. Because we are comparing two things, we use better. The weather is worse than before. Bad, worse, the worst. When we want to compare two things, we use worse. Especially worse than, better than. Be careful. Comparing more than two things. Cirrus is the highest of the tropospheric clouds. The highest. Safety is the most important aspect of aviation. I told you when we have one syllable we add the and est. گفتم وقتی که قراره یه چیزی رو با چند تا چیز دیگه مقایسه کنیم، از بین چند تا، قبلش اگر یک سیلابی بود قبلش ده، بعدش est. اگر بیش از یک سیلاب بود، the more important more than one syllable، قبلش the most استفاده میکنیم. Safety is the most important aspect of aviation. The best thing about flying is the speed of travel. That was the worst turbulence I ever felt. گفتم good, better, the best; bad, the worse than, and the worst. اینا رو هم یادتون باشه. Okay, let's go to next page.